Make this amazing cylinder chart in Excel to impress your friends. First, get difference percentage by this formula. Now select your table and go to Insert, then choose 3D Cylinder. Click on Chart Elements, then unselect all the options. Now click on upper part of chart line, then go to Format Data Series and Solid Fill and select White Color. Then go to Series option, then select Cylinder option. Now change gap width to 60%, then select Last Material. Now choose each cylinder different colors. Now select the main chart area, then go to 3D rotation, make X rotation to 0 and Y rotation to 10. Go to Format, then choose Shape Fill to No Fill and Outline to No Outline. Right-click on upper cylinder, then choose Data Labels. Adjust size and color. Now make a text label to each cylinder and you are done.